Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show you guys what 285s looks like on a stock Jeep that hasn't been raised or has any kind of upgrades or modifications other than just the tires. So these are 33-inch 285s, Toyo tires, the Open Country AT. And I went with these because they are 33 inches tall. They gave me a little bit of lift. I don't have a lift kit or any kind of upgrades to the suspension because honestly, I haven't needed it. But the benefits to these so far have been, one, I mean, they look pretty badass. Number two, you get about 3 inches of lift. Probably another 1.5 inches off the ground, but 3 inches total off of the 30s that were on there that come stock. So I've still got the stock Wrangler Goodyears on the back. I don't think that thing's been driven in like 12 years. But anyway, so the only downside to these so far is you can see where it is rubbing here. But that is it. Basically, just don't turn your wheel the whole way, you know? Simple solution. Free solution. So if you wanted to get some spacers and kind of push these out so they wouldn't rub, you totally can. I didn't want to. I didn't want to put that strain on my axle because I want this thing to run forever. But I also didn't because these fenders, these peeling fenders, which I'm sure a lot of you saw me plastidip my fenders, that was like 3 years ago. And a majority of this damage came from, well, just a bunch of wear and tear, me working on the engine and going through car washes and whatnot, standing on them, you know, whatever. Normal shit. So what's next is replacing these peeling and faded bumpers. I got the Smittybilt XRCs. Look at them right there on the porch. Beautiful. And I'm going to be doing a video on those as well just here in a couple minutes. So anyways, guys, this is what 285s or 33-inch tires looks like on a stock, basic-ass mall crawler, if you will. It's not a mall crawler. We do go off-road, but